Hey there, welcome to another tech troubleshooting video. Today we're addressing a common problem that many Samsung Galaxy S25 users might face. So, picture this. You've disabled doze mode on your phone using the Windows command prompt to make sure you get all your notifications, but then you realize you can't eject the phone because ADB is still in use. Frustrating, right? But don't worry, we've got the solution for you. In this case, the solution is pretty straightforward. All you need to do is run the command adb kill server in the command prompt. This command will stop the ADB service and allow you to safely eject your phone without any issues. Problem solved. So, to wrap things up, if you ever find yourself in a situation where you can't eject your phone because ADB is still in use after disabling doze mode, simply remember to run adb kill server in the command prompt. And there you have it, a quick and easy fix to ensure a hassle-free experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below with your favorite tech troubleshooting moment.